Tinubu, people dey complain of hunger protest wey dem wan protest at the rest because of hunger at the rest. Tinubu still dey thief another money again. Which one be you send money give 600,000 families. All the people wey I know for this life, the people wey dem know and the other one wey dem know, those wey dem know those people, wey dem know all the old people, we no see anybody family wey he send money give. Tinubu na thief, you thief that money. Yes, we don't take nonsense for this country. Na thief, you thief that money. If not be thief, you thief that money, you give all the old details on all your account number. Everybody go search all your account number. When una say the 600 families, so that 600 accounts, we wan see them. Because everybody dey me no talk. Na thief, you thief the money. If not be thief, when I upload the details of the audio account, when I say that the 600 account, when I say that money put, we go search all of them one by one. Locate them, who know if I say that money put. You send money give families, and nobody, all the people want know for the life, the people they know are the one those who want to know. No, nobody receive shishi. Check na spiritual people that they send money they give for this country. People they complain of this way are the money when they thief. This go out, you see a thief more. Make federal government Tinubu himself upload all the your account number wey he say 600,000 account number wey send money put. We wan know am. Abi una dey carry the money they sponsor terrorists. Abi you wey dey watch this video so they send money give them for family members. Comment, move start from here. This kind of nonsense be all those because we no dey talk. You get anybody wey support pikin for you? You send money give. So we don't be citizens. Na animals we don't be. See mumu talk.